Hello, dear ones. I'm looking at the projection here for Jose up through Saturday. Looks like he's doing a bit of a dance and then heading back north. However, we have watched Jose lose intensity and been diagnosed as being pretty much over until this turnaround this afternoon. So I got curious, of course, let's go see what's going on. Well, tropical Atlantic, infrared. We've got that burst of energy just shooting out in all directions. Starts out small, building up, and burst. That is a little puzzling, especially when you look at how far out that blast carried. And that there is photoshopping happening on that last two frames or the same frame. There's your still. Okay. Also over here in the storm that we see coming off of Africa that we have been discussing in an earlier video, there is also exponential cloud growth in this area. And again, looks like photoshopping on top of those cloud covers. So let's take a look over here at the visible, goes east visible, Eastern Pacific, or Atlantic, sorry about that. And you see the stippling here after the radar passes, after the shifting, I think it goes through. You see the tops of the clouds, formations, cloud formations over here as well. And then all of a sudden this photoshopping, this stippling takes place. And it grows as the cloud grows. Quite a dramatic little show that's going on, so I'm curious what's going on with this. Why is it they're stimulating this storm? This is building. We got to make me question. So take a look over here at the rainbow loop, and here's Jose. White flashes. This is full into the spectrum. I'm going to scroll down here just a second. You look at right over here, full end of the spectrum. You got white stippling just blasting out into there. So that's either injection of super moisture or some other phenomena is taking place. Now, my curiosity has taken me to this point. We have the remnants of Irma just blasting out in all directions. We have this tropical, the Atlantic pull of all of this moisture out of the tropics. That started with Katia, sending all of that water out and up above Florida, up the coastline, just as Irma was coming in, if you remember that. And now we've got 3 major low pressure zones swirling in madness, loaded for bear with tons of water. What are these weather maniacs doing? What are you looking at that's happening on the West Coast? Is this I'm really concerned. So I'm going to ask anyone and everyone out there, if you have a moment, send every gentling thought you have to water on all parts of the planet. If you have any clue of the power of your love, this is an instance where we can send calming to the water and imagine it not gathering on the particles that have been placed in our air. Peace to you all. Blessings.